Hey, third and fourth graders, Mr. Teleki here. I'm trying out a new thing called screencasting. I wanted to take this opportunity to show you how to log in to your Jupyter account and get to the Natural History Forum in case you're having trouble. I notice some of you are posting a lot. Some of you are not posting that much or none at all. So let's start with the basics. You can see a picture of me right here in the bottom corner of your screen, way down over there. And you can see the rest of my screen up over there, right? Cool. So I'm showing you a screen for a Jupyter login page. And now I'm going to log in. I made up a student so that I could do this and show you exactly what it's going to look like to you, especially if you haven't done it yet. So my student's name is Hist, and I've got a super secret password for him. I'm not going to tell you what it is. We're going to hit log in. And now we're in. You need to log into your own account, obviously. Now, once you've logged into your account, then you need to go to, oh, look, it brought me to the messages page. I think sometimes it brings you to the to-do page. I don't know. But you go to the messages page, and there you'll see a message from me. One up here at the top is about poetry recitations. You'll need that for reciting poetry. But you need this one right now for natural history. You click on that, and it'll take you to the forum. Of course, you can't see anything yet because because this forum requires you to post something before you get to see the posts of anybody else. So this student, Mr. Meliki, is going to come up with something brilliant. Hey, Mr. T, I just wanted you to know that I observed today that most grass is green in color. Wow, this guy's good, isn't he? And then you're going to hit post. And bam, as soon as you do that, look at all this beautiful material that shows up. All right. So then you can scroll down and see that Giacomo's posting something about hornets and he's referencing hexagon tessellation. Gee, I wonder where he heard about that, third grade. That's pretty cool. And then if you want to see comments to Giacomo's, oh, you can see where the teacher responded. If you scroll down a little further, you see, oh my gosh, that's really cool. You can look at the pictures up close and you can send them back. Connor Hayton's posting about skunk cabbage. Love it. And then here's a video, a really cool video from your teacher. Awesome. So you got to find this stuff. There's really cool stuff here, right? So just wanted to show you guys that. Anyway, you can scroll around. You could take a look. So Connor wrote this really cool thing about skunk cabbage. Read it. I took a hike with my mom and found some skunk cabbages. First, we didn't know what they were. We thought they kind of looked like lettuce. I found out that if you eat them raw, they'll sting your tongue like acid. They have toxic roots. And then you can look at this comment right here, take a look at his picture. That's pretty cool, skunk cabbage. And then if you read this comment, you can click here. I never knew you could eat skunk cabbage. Is it any good? Will you be trying some? So that's what the teacher wrote. Now I'm going to write a little note too. I'm going to say, I wonder why they call it skunk cabbage. And then I'm going to post that note by hitting the post button right here. And now everyone can see that I've made a comment to Connor Hayton's post. And that's pretty cool because then you can share with each other. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little bit of time. You guys are great. Keep working hard and I'll see you soon. Teleki out.